Alright, hey there everyone, it's Kevin. In this particular video I want to go ahead and show you how to install the Thinkorswim platform. This will be a brief video, as that it's not going to take you long to get this installed, and I think Thinkorswim is the it's one of the most robust platforms out there, and especially for option traders. Boy, I tell you, you're not going to find a better one. Now, if you live outside of the U.S., I know specifically you can't trade on it in Australia, New Zealand. I'm not sure about Canada, the UK, but yeah, if there's a way that you can use Thinkorswim, that's what I use. That's what I'm very proficient at, and that's what I'll be teaching on. So go to thinkorswim.com, and this is another good, useful resource and another tool for your learning. They've got a lot of good free stuff on here, and just right here, you just go right up here to register for paper money. Please, I am going to emphasize over and over and over again, because I am addressing brand new option traders. Do not risk a single red penny until you're proficient on demo, all right? And I feel very strongly about that because options have an additional component of commissions that you have to overcome, all right? So there's no race, there's no urgency. The options market is not going away anytime soon. If anything, it's only getting better because volatility is picking up, spreads are getting tighter, more electronic underlyings are coming online. I mean, there's no urgency or rush to start throwing your money away, so please just don't do it. But go ahead and you'll fill out this. You'll request a user ID, password. You'll verify, or this is if you already have an existing TD Ameritrade account. If you don't, you hit no, and then what you'll do is you'll just go ahead and fill out all these prompts here. You'll choose a user ID, password, you'll re-enter it, and you'll continue. And then you'll have the platform downloaded. I'm going to bring my live platform in over here, all right? We'll go ahead and just show you that. These are all the accounts that I actively manage and trade. And let me just do this. I will go ahead and load the paper money account. So when you first load it up, this is the prompt scene, the dialog box. So you can click live or paper money. You'll just come here to paper money. All right, and when you log in, let me just slide this over so you can see the two differences. They function identical, all right? So the reason why this is important to understand and to learn is you get very good at navigating this platform in demo mode, all right? Let's just do this. You'll see that everything is identical, except this has paper money on it, and it's got the watermark logo behind it there. The real-time data, it matches the live platform exactly. I mean, tick for tick. You can just, you can line them up and you can see exactly what they're doing. And so another benefit to the paper money is it will automatically default you to two accounts. A individual retirement account that has the margins for Reg T, and a portfolio margin account. Now, I can't remember if they default you to a portfolio margin account or if you have to request that, but this is going to be for more advanced lessons later on. In a PM account, in a portfolio margin account, they treat your risk on complex spreads much, much differently. It's a lot more advantageous. If I were to use a comparison, it would be like if you're trading Forex right now on a 20-to-1 leverage, that's going to be in a Reg T retirement account. You can trade that. You absolutely should respect that risk and manage your trades accordingly. But let's just say that now you are good and you're proficient and you respect your risk management, you follow your rules, and you're disciplined, blah, 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 et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Now, all of a sudden, you go ahead and you get into a portfolio margin account. That's similar to taking your 20-to-1 leverage in a Forex account and putting it up to 400-to-1 or more, okay? One of the drawbacks is you need at least $125,000 in your account to qualify for that. And you know, there are some talks about maybe reducing that amount, but right now that's what it is through TD Ameritrade. So the true risk is still there. The risk doesn't go away, but the way they calculate your margin is much differently. So yes, that's pretty much the main thing here that I wanted to say about the two platforms. So get your Paper Money platform installed. It has everything exactly the same. Let me line these up so they're, you know, you can see all the trade tabs, analyze tabs, everything is exactly the same. All right, all the way across. You've got everything looks identical the same. All right, so and then you can kind of start following along and understanding some of the option trades that I will be showing and I will be teaching you. Okay, so thanks much, and there will be another one coming in sequence. All right, bye.